What's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be replacing my front brake pads. So since I already have the car jacked up and the wheel off, I'm going to be removing this anti-rattle clip. You can use either a flathead screwdriver or pliers like I did. So now I'm on the back side of the brake caliper, and I'm going to be removing these dust covers from these slider pins with a flathead screwdriver. There's the top one, and there's the bottom. And you'll need a 7mm Allen head for these slider pins. Here's the top slider pin. And the bottom. With those slider pins out of the way, I can now remove the brake caliper. I'm just going to move that out of the way. Now I can remove the brake pad. These brake pads have a lot of life left in them, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to change them anyways. These pads that's on the calipers are held in by a clip on the back, so just give it a nice firm pull and it'll come out. Now it's time to unbox the new brake pads. Now we have to get that piston into the caliper. One way to do that is to get the old brake pad, put it in place against that. Then you'll get a C-clamp. Have one side on the brake pad, one side on the end of the caliper, and you'll just compress that. I'm going to be using this pad spreader. And it works the exact same way as a C-clamp. Just put it in place and twist it to compress it. Then remove it, remove the brake pad, and it is compressed. Now the brake pad that has the clips is going to snap into the caliper. Just give it a nice firm push. Now I'm going to clean off these slider pins, remove any grease or debris that's on there. Then I'm going to get a wire brush and just clean off any debris or brake pad dust that's built up. Here's a diagram of where we're going to put the brake grease. Never ever put the grease on the front of the brake pad, only on the back. Now it's time to put the pad on. Then I'm going to grab the brake caliper, and that should just slide on into place. Then it's time to reinstall our slider pins in the back. And we're going to tighten it. Then we're going to reinstall the dust caps. Next, it's time to install the new anti-rattle clip. And that's it for the passenger side, so we'll go ahead and put the tire on. Also onto the driver's side, and we're just going to repeat the same exact process for this side. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.